Just stop. What's up? What's up with it?
You gotta turn it a little bit more upwards.
No, it's wide.
Let's go.
It's wide, bruh.
Let's go. Look at the little wolf. To your right. Ready? Slow down. Yeah. Go turn around. Make a U-turn and I'll take a picture of you while you're riding. A picture or video? Okay. Go for it. Yeah, that's Venice.
The walk that we were looking at the other time?
Hold on, hold on. Oh, I see it. Whoa. Yeah, that's what it is. The bottom part's the living room. Not in Venice though. We're gonna go to like a little beach bike path that like takes you out to this bridge. It's where I ride every morning. Let's go. So now you can
This is so weird. I've never been on the road.
Because it's something to get used to. You go in front of me. Hey, see, this is what I like about you. It means a lot to me, believe it or not. Like so much. I'm good. Nice, Anna. We're gonna turn right here. Let's try it out. I'm gonna have you pedal as fast as I do, just for like 5 seconds, okay? Take it slow. Now get into a bigger gear. Bigger, the little one. Even though it's fine. I'll mute it. Dang, we're going 15 miles an hour. Dang, Anna, you're going 20. Damn, I'm getting dropped. Damn, you're crazy. All right, ready? All right, ready? Bye. I'm just happy because now I know that like I have somebody to ride with when I get married. You're gonna be as fast as me one day. Heck yeah, what you mean maybe? You're freaking fast as hell now. Yeah, you're going. I'm recording the ride average. Like,
How do you know how fast it's going?
because you're going my speed. You look, don't. You look like a nun. Now here, I'll hold it. Here, I have my back.
do look like a nun. Look at my shadow.
I know. Where are you going?
Around. Are we gonna go through this thing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll show you. It's a nice spot.
Okay.
Let's go. Yeah. So we're gonna go over here. Just like, not that far, just a little bit. You're gonna have to get off the bike. Right here, get off now. Let's sit down on the side. Just hang out for a little bit. Just careful when you pass it by. You don't hit the bike. Yeah, pull it towards you. You got it. Oof. Go, you're good. Go, go, go. Let's go. Put them here. Just kind of chill for a bit.
Okay.
I'll bring your bike in. Flash the light away, you said? I think there's not people at that bench in this thing. Zoom it in, zoom it in.
Is that the right spot?
Uh-huh. It's just so dusty because they're freaking out.
Ew, why is it you ran over a cockroach? Let's go back. You ran over a cockroach. I want to see it. You smushed it.
Did you hear it?
You literally passed over it. Right there.
That was one.
I don't know. Watch out, watch out. I
I don't see it. I didn't.
Oh.
I probably barely missed it. Babe,
Probably.
it's freaking huge. You would have heard it come.
I swear, I thought you smushed it right here in the middle.
Nah, you would have heard it like explode. Here, I'm gonna try to run over one.
No, don't do that. That's gross. Oh. What's the worst thing you've ever ran over?
A snake. Like,
A snake?
exploded, yeah.
Ew.
But I was like,
where were you?
Malibu. Just like a year ago.
Like on the mountains?
Yeah, I was climbing up. I was going fast, like upward.
Yeah.
And I was like this, like, and then it just slithers through the road, and I just.
Ew.
I swear, it literally blew up. Like I smushed its head.
Ew.
Not even like over the freaking body. Like I ran over its head.
That's gross.
Yeah, I just kept going. Blood all over my shoes.
can just adjust it. Where are we going, straight?
Yeah.
Through the alley?
Yep.
Okay.
This is like the nicer part of Venice that I